What 6 outrageous fast food mashups look like in real life? No doubt, you try to eat healthy as much as possible. But we're all a little curious about what it would be like to get up close and personal with one of those overindulgent restaurant chain concoctions. You know what we're talking about: Taco Bell's Cap'n Crunch Delights or Pizza Hut's Hot Dog Pizza. They're the culinary equivalent of a train wreck, and we can't look away. Unfortunately, the real-world versions don't always live up to the hype. People have been posting pics of these monstrosities online, and they're a little underwhelming. Here's what those foods look like in their glamour shots, and in real life. Warning, it's a little sad. Pizza Hut's Hot Dog Pizza, so it's pizza with pigs in a blanket artfully placed around the edges. Weird as it sounds, it does look pretty appetizing here. Pizza Hut's Hot Dog Pizza. But in reality, not so much. Taco Bell's Cap'n Crunch Delights. Per Taco Bell, these are warm, light pastries coated with fruity Cap'n Crunch's Crunch Berry cereal and filled with creamy, sweet milk icing. Pizza Hut Australia's Meat Pie Stuffed Pizza. Pizza Hut Australia joined forces with Aussie restaurant Forn20 to create a pizza with 8 meat pies packed into the crust. Interesting. Pizza Hut Australia's Meat Pie Stuffed Pizza. KFC Hong Kong's Napoli Crispy Pizza Chicken. We're still trying to figure out the mechanics of this. Is it pizza toppings on a chicken wing? Pizza shaped like a wing? KFC Hong Kong's Napoli Crispy Pizza Chicken. Whatever it is, we think something's a little off with the real-life pizza execution. Tom, the Jezebel reader who took the above photo, told the website that it tastes like despair. Carl's Jr.'s double-loaded omelette biscuit. This breakfast features 2 omelets with sausage, ham, bacon, American cheese, jack cheese, and cheddar cheese. Carl's Jr.'s double-loaded omelette biscuit. AKA a bunch of stuff oozing out between 2 biscuits. KFC South Korea's Double Down King. Apparently, the regular Double Down wasn't indulgent enough. This version is bacon, cheese, a hamburger, and secret sauce smushed between 2 pieces of fried chicken. KFC South Korea's Double Down King. Eating healthy has never seemed like such a good idea.